The skies are changing. No longer the sole domain of fighter jets, a new breed of warrior takes flight. The unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, or drone. Two titans in this new age are India's DRDO and Bell's Archer and the American-made Bluebird Micro-B. The Archer, a small yet powerful UAV, boasts a flight time of 12 hours and a payload capacity of 25 kgs, while the Micro-B, a marvel of miniaturization, focuses on agility and covert operations. The Archer, with its impressive endurance and payload capacity, promises to reshape conventional warfare. Meanwhile, the Micro-B, small yet brimming with advanced capabilities, heralds a new era of discrete intelligence gathering. Imagine the Archer, its powerful sensors scanning vast stretches of dense forests, pinpointing the first signs of wildfires. Picture the Micro-B, nimble and discreet, navigating the rubble of a collapsed building, searching for survivors. The potential applications are as boundless as the sky itself. As we stand at the cusp of this new era, it is clear that drones are here to stay, forever altering the skies above us. India's DRDO has introduced the Archer, small, nimble yet formidable drone. This behemoth boasts a massive wingspan of 1 meter, allowing it to carry a substantial payload of up to 25 kilograms. The Archer's powerful turboprop engine allows it to stay aloft for over 12 hours, cruising at altitudes exceeding 30,000 feet. This remarkable endurance, coupled with advanced satellite communication systems, makes the Archer ideal for persistent surveillance over vast areas. Its advanced sensors gather intelligence day and night, even through thick cloud cover. The Archer's ability to operate autonomously enhances its effectiveness in contested airspace. In stark contrast to the Archer, Bluebird Aerosystems presents the Micro-B, a testament to miniaturization in drone technology. This small hand-launchable UAV, weighing in at a mere 6 kg, is easily mistaken for a hobbyist's toy. However, beneath its simple exterior lies a sophisticated suite of sensors and communication systems. Its small size and quiet electric motor allow it to operate discreetly at low altitudes, ideal for urban environments. With a wingspan of just under 3 meters, it can achieve speeds of up to 150 km/h and reach altitudes of up to 18,000 feet. Unlike the Archer, the Micro-B can be launched by hand and recovered via parachute, making it ideal for rapid deployment. Its advanced cameras provide high-resolution imagery, even in low-light conditions. This adaptability makes the Micro-B a versatile platform for a wide range of missions. The Archer and the Micro-B inhabit vastly different ends of the spectrum in their roles and capabilities. The Archer, with its substantial payload capacity, is a force to be reckoned with. It can carry a variety of precision-guided munitions, making it a potent strike platform. This makes it valuable in conventional warfare, providing air support to ground troops. In contrast, the Micro-B's strength lies in its agility, stealth, and ability to operate discreetly. Its smaller payload capacity limits its offensive capabilities, but makes it suitable for targeted strikes. The Archer is designed to dominate the skies and project power over long distances. The Micro-B is a tool for precision and stealth, each playing a crucial role in modern